Okay, so here's the example. In triangle ABC, little a is 9, capital A is 49 degrees, capital B is 86 degrees, find little b. So we know the capital letters are going to be the vertices or the corners, all right? Think of those as the angles. So capital, let's worry about those first. I'm going to let the angles go in first. So capital A is 49 degrees. I already drew my triangle. Capital B is 86 degrees. That means this one must be capital C. If this is capital A, then as far away as possible from it is little a. If this is capital E, then far away from possible is little b. If this is capital C, as far away from possible must be little c. All right? And we know that, whoops, I missed one. Little a is 9. Okay? And they didn't tell us units, and that's okay. So we'll just say 9 units, whether it's centimeters or meters or feet or inches or whatever. Okay? If we're using different sides, then they have to be in the same units. So they're all in feet, or they're all in centimeters, they're all in inches, whichever. So I want to find little b. And I go to my formulas. If I'm looking for the side, it's the same formula, just flipped upside down. If I'm looking for the side, which I am, I'm going to use this one. I want little b, and I've got big B, I've got little a, and I've got capital A. So the formula that I'm going to use are these two guys together. All right, I don't care about c and little c. So I'm going to go down and write my formula. So a over sine A equals b over sine b. So little a over sine big A, and it makes a difference with the capitals and the small letters, equals little b over sine big B. Okay? So then I substitute everything I can. Little a is 9, sine capital A is 49 degrees, equals little b, we don't know, over sine big B is 86 degrees. And I want little b on its own, so I'm going to multiply both sides by sine 86. And these ones divide each other out, and I'm just left with, I'm going to rewrite it from the opposite side. Little b equals, okay, let's grab our calculator. And what do we have here? We've got sine 86, so I'm not looking for an angle, so I'm using sine straight as it is. Sine 86 times 9 divided by sine 49. Bracket, enter. Okay, b is 11.9, we'll just go to one decimal place, 11.9 units. Okay, whether it's meters or centimeters, I don't really know. Let's go see if it makes sense up here. So little b is 11.9, 11.9. Nice trick you can use is actually, depending on the angle, the side opposite is going to be bigger. That kind of makes sense. As it opens up, you're going to get a longer side. So 86 is definitely bigger than 49, and 11.9 is bigger than 9. So it's in the right ballpark, okay? And it's definitely bigger than this one. And away we go. So hopefully that helps. All right, so little b is 11.9 units. We decide which ones we have, but the labeling of the triangle is the most important. It has to happen first. You must draw the triangle and you must label it, otherwise you can't do these problems.